Doctor Says 360.
Hi, I'm Elena. Can dieting help us lose weight? I think the dieting here also more like fasting. Yeah. Sometimes especially the females, we tend to fast. Yeah. We tend to try to abstain from food so we can lose some weight. So dieting do helps. Yeah. Dieting do helps, and the concept is very simple. It's calorie deficit. So when we talk about weight loss, we are talking about the input of calorie and the output of calories. So if we input more or if we eat more, then you higher chance that it will store more if there's no output. So dieting or fasting do helps, but we suggest that if you are doing fasting, go for a more research-based, confirm-wise kind of a fasting. Don't just simply fast. Yeah, you need additional guidance. You need guidance from doctors or dietitian based on your health condition as well. It's personalized, but I would suggest that if you were to go for fasting, make sure that when you break fast, you are eating sufficient nutrients. When you break fast, have quality amount of carbohydrate foods, fiber, your protein and your fats. When you break fast, of course, we are careful on the calorie or the food that we choose. I think that's very important when we talk about fasting or dieting to lose weight. When we talk about research-based, proven dieting method, intermittent fasting is one of the fasting that, based on study, it does work. So what happens with this intermittent fasting is we need to fast. Based on study, it depends on which one you're more comfortable with. Usually is a 16-hour fast or sometimes 14 hours depending on which school of thoughts you went through. So if it's a 16-hour fast, we completely abstain from eating and drinking anything that contains calories. Only plain water is allowed. You abstain yourself or you fast for these 16 hours, and when you break fast, you can eat normally like the balanced meal, your lunch or dinner. So the hours is depending on you. Personally, I tried intermittent fasting before. The more easier one, maybe if you are not a very night person, after dinner we'll just stop eating. Maybe at 9, after 9, just stop eating and fast until the next day lunch. That would be about 14-16 hours already. So that would be a practical way. And most Malaysian, we also skip breakfast, right? So yeah, I think that's the intermittent fasting we are talking about. Yes, it does help us to lose weight, but depends on your goal as well.
Doctor Says 360.
If you like our channel, please like, share, and subscribe.